Hey everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs. Can you believe it's time for Easter? Easter is right around the corner and I have my Easter Treats 2020 Class to Go ready for you. Here you can see them. They're super bright and adorable and springy looking. This time we're using 2 stamp sets, Welcome Easter and Full of Happiness. I couldn't pick which one I loved the most, so we're using them both for this class. And if you've ever bought a class from me before, you know I do several ways. This time, this class is going to be free with an order, all right? I'm going to give you all those details in just a second, but let me just tell you about the treats. We've got a Kit Kat holder. Did you guys know that there are new spring Kit Kats full size? I found them at Walmart. We've got a clear box wrapper, an Easter basket with our lovely Pleased as Punch paper, a Rice Krispie treat holder, a cracked egg treat holder, and a peanut butter egg slider. All right, so what's in a class to go? Well, you're going to get all 6 projects ready to go. They're going to come delivered straight to your mailbox. All the scoring, punching, cutting, all of that will be done for you. All you'll need to do is stamp and have ink and adhesives, and you will have a PDF tutorial to show you each and every project how it goes together. This class also includes a video. I'm going to make a short video for you that shows you how to color. I have heavily used Stampin' Blends on this class, so I'm going to show you how I've colored each of those, as well as the ribbon. Check out the ribbon. Did you know you can color ribbon with your Stampin' Blends? Notice this ribbon. Isn't that fun? Okay, so what do you need to do to get your class for free? The first thing you need to know is how to use a host code. There's a host code attached to this class, and this is the only way I'm going to know that you want this class for free. So when you put in your order, you have to use this host code, and it cannot be combined with any other orders, okay? I'm going to take this off because Facebook doesn't like text on their videos, so we're going to move it over there. If you need it, click the link, hop over to my blog, and you'll find it there. So in your order, you'll need to order both stamp sets and a pack of the Gingham Gala adhesive back sequins. If you already have these, don't worry. You can order anything you want as long as your order is an equal amount, $43.50 before tax and shipping, and it uses this host code. You're going to get the class for free. There are a few other things that you will need. You can add them onto your order, or you can just use whatever you have already at home. You're going to need the Delightful Tag Topper Punch or another Tag Topper Punch for 2 of the projects. You're also going to want the Dino Dies. See this egg right here? It cuts out the egg from the Full of Happiness stamp set, okay? So you, if you don't have those dies, you might want to add them on. And then the blends. I told you the video tutorial is going to show you how to color not just the ribbon, but all those cute little critters. And you're going to need Stampin' Blends: Smoky Slate, Pumpkin Pie, Granny Apple Green, Highland Heather, Flirty Flamingo, Daffodil Delight, and Pool Party. Don't worry, they're all listed on my blog as well as linked, so you'll know where to find them in the store. So the class is $43.50. If you want to add on, this is a great time to do it, because if your order gets to $50, you get a celebration item of your choice. If your order gets to $100, you can either get a celebration item level 1, 2 of them, or you can get a level 2, which is a $100 minimum order. You get that for free. So this is a great time to add some things onto your order if you have been wanting to add some blends to your collection. Also on my blog, I have all the inks listed that you'll need. I am sticking basically with the colors that are in the Pleased as Punch Designer Series paper. That paper will be cut and ready for you in your class kit. You don't have to order that. The other thing I meant to tell you is that you get something for free. I always like to reward you for shopping with me. So in this class, I'm going to be sending you this bolt of ribbon for free. So you're going to get a whole entire bolt of ribbon for free. Okay, so the deadline for this is March 15th. We kind of have a quick turnaround on this because Easter is middle of April, and I want you to have several weeks to get your projects created. So if you want this class to go, make sure that you have put in your order over at StampinUp.com no later than March 15th. I will have the kits in the mail no later than March 20th. I cut and ship them all at the same time. So if you want this class to go, make sure that you get your order in by March 15th. Now, many of you just want the PDF tutorial. That's always available over in my PDF store for $15. At the bottom of the blog post, you'll scroll down and see that link. That's an immediate download for that PDF. If you buy if you're getting the Class to Go for free and you put in your order online and you want that PDF early, send me an email. I'll be happy to send it to you. The only one that'll be immediately downloaded is if you just buy the PDF, because that's how it's set up in my store. But I am more than happy to send that PDF out to those of you that are getting the class for free if you want it early. Okay. Lots of details. Make sure you hop over to my blog. Remember, the most important thing is to get the class for free and the bolt of ribbon for free from me in your mailbox. You've got to place a $43.50 minimum order no later than March 15th. Okay? If you guys have questions, please let me know and I will be happy to answer them. Happy Easter! Bye-bye.